What's up, YouTube? It's 2 Shots for Good Measure here, and I'm sorry if my microphone made a weird noise at the beginning. I'm trying to fix it. I'm not sure if I did this time. I'll review the footage and see. But, this is part 4 in my Blametruth theory. I only recorded a little part of the screen, though, so it would upload a little quicker, and don't really need that part of the screen anyways. Almost said screen. That would have been stupid. So not much has happened really since part 3. Part 3, I talked a little bit about his friend posting a video. This video took its place. He took that down and put this up. He wasn't missing. He went to Wilmington, like basically without telling anybody. I don't know a word for it. Well, I know a word for it. I know a word for it, but I can't really think of one right now. Like, I had it in my head and I was like, I'm about to say it, and then I forgot it. So if I remember it, then I'll just probably like scream it later on. But so he left Wilmington unannounced. There we go. That would work. He left Wilmington, or not left. He left for Wilmington unannounced, not telling anybody. So his friend Frank was like creeped out with everything going on and him just like missing. So he decided to put a video up and put some things on Twitter. Turns out none of that was true. He was just going somewhere, and this is one of the reasons he said that he left. The beginning of the video says, this video was recorded after the event of captured, -3. Sorry, I'm not that good in, like, I don't know what class that is. After this happened, and after uploading Capture 3, I immediately left for Wilmington, North Carolina. Yeah, I was about to say, like, New Jersey or something, but that's not. Whatever, who cares? So basically what happened in this video is he wakes up at 1:18 again. Obviously a recurring pattern in the series, 1:18 being like Revelations 1:18 or whatever you want to think. So like I said, it turns out that I've been pretty much right from the beginning about the 1:18 thing. As he said in a couple of videos ago, this one, and then he actually talks about Revelations 1:18 in this. So more strange sounds. Well, you hear some like noises, like someone's trying to open his door. And the time is 1:18, so he wakes up, gets his camera, turns his lights on, goes to the house, and there's nothing really wrong with the house. I saw a couple comments saying that his roommate was walking around and that this was all fake, but that wasn't his roommate. You gotta realize that that was a mirror. Because if you look later when he walks up to the mirror, it's the same person. He's wearing the same like boxer shorts and whatever. So you gotta think and like examine the video more before you leave comments like that. That's just not okay. Well, I guess it's okay, but I don't know. So I'm hoping he posts another video today or tomorrow. New video if you missed it earlier. If you missed it earlier, new video earlier. Why does he post that twice, like 6 hours before? That doesn't make sense. Who cares? Buddy and honest question. So that's it for now, guys. There hasn't really been too much that's gone on since part 3, but I told you that in a bulletin that I posted a couple yesterday. I almost said a couple yesterdays ago, but that doesn't make any sense. Yesterday, I posted a bulletin saying that once part 3 got to 80, I would be recording part 4 either today or tomorrow, so I decided to record it right now while I have some free time before I go do my stuff. So I'll try to be uploading this tonight. It's the 7th right now. And if anything else comes out, I will definitely be doing part 5. If nothing happens, I'll still probably do a part 5. Even if it turns out it's a hoax, he like comes out and says, oh yeah, it's fake. But I don't think that's going to be happening. But even if he does, I'll still make a part 5. Like, okay. I'm at a loss for words right now, so see you later, guys. Wait, before I go, bye.